Got spare time? Great news! Your spare time can transform into bling bling. That's right, side hustles. In this video, I'll show you 5 awesome side hustle ideas that can help you use your non-working hours to make thousands in 2024. Robert from Pagefly here. Before starting, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe to our Ecom Learning with Pagefly channel for more on-the-money e-commerce content. And a quick heads up, you can easily navigate between these chapters here so that you get to the side hustle you're intrigued by. Now, what is a side hustle? An activity that generates additional income beyond one's main occupation or income source. So basically, a secondary job. As you can tell already, side hustle best suits those who have a good amount of spare, idle time like college students and part-time workers. But even if you're working full-time, you can still do side hustles as long as you're willing to dedicate your evenings and weekends to labor. According to a survey, side hustlers can earn more than $1,000 per month by dedicating 12 hours per week to their side hustles. Like sheesh!
That's a lot of money!
But great reward comes with great risk. You get burnt out, you suffer pressure, your earnings are unstable, etc. But if you're persistent enough, it's gonna be a walk in the park. Speaking of walk, we've got dog walking. This is our first side hustle idea for you. Shocker, right? What seems to be a hobby you and your kids do every weekend can actually be a career now. All you gotta do is offer the service of walking a dog for an owner in need, and you can be paid up to $43 per hour. Do the math. Spend 12 hours per weekend to pursue this side hustle. That's already $516 in your pocket. If you're a dog lover, consider signing up on special recruitment platforms like Rover, where you and your future dog owner or employers can get quickly connected and started. Next up is me. Well, by me, I mean not me, but to become a YouTuber, which is our second side hustle idea for you. People are really hungry for visual content these days. If you think you're the one who can use your strengths to cater to your audience's needs, give YouTube a try. Revenue per mil, or RPM, is the name of the game here. It's basically how much you earn per 1,000 views, and the average RPM is $3 to $5. But if you really want to sustain on YouTube alone, you need to reach out to other ways like sponsorships, selling merch, affiliate links, etc. Ali Abdul is a good example, a rising star in the field, making videos around small stuff in life like making money or mantras for life. Or Davey Forgardi, an entrepreneur, investor, and e-commerce enthusiast, hopped on the YouTube wagon and is getting quickly recognized. And this guy, you know this guy, right? Is a textbook example for it. In 2021, Mr. Beast made $54 million from his YouTube channel. If humongous number excites you, myself included, then here are 3 things you need to know when starting out. 1. Choose a niche and have a YouTube channel centered around what you're good at. 2. Make quality content on a weekly basis. 3. Know your audience before and after you make content. And if you have any more tips for other creators, feel free to share them in the comment section below. Remember when you said classes are boring as a kid? Not anymore, since your online classes bring you green piles by the hundreds now. Online tutoring is booming, especially in the times of COVID-19 and in the times when parents' needs for getting their children educated are constantly on the rise. If you feel like hesitating because it's a boring class, get this. You get to teach your expertise. what you're passionate about, all while in the comfort of your own home. Online private classes can go up to $100 per hour. So basically, you sit and talk for money. For a smooth online tutoring service, here's what you can do. 1. Decide what you can, want to, and love to teach. Also, prepare some teaching materials. 2. Decide your rates, hours, and offer. They should be based on your current expertise level and availability. 3. Set up your online profile or portfolio and make sure to include documents that show your mastery. 4. Find students on platforms like OutSchool, Wizant, or step up your marketing game to have them come to you. Also, speaking of marketing, if marketing is your forte, you're gonna love this next one. Social media ads management. Sounds like office word, I know, but it doesn't have to be. You can be a marketing freelancer and work right at home. Hear me out. Most small companies don't have their in-house marketing team, so they hire an outsourced freelancer. Depending on project scales, you can earn up to $1,000 per campaign. That's 3-0. To pull this off, you need to know your way around digital marketing. You need to know the audience, the competitors, the market, and be creative, strategic, data-driven when setting up Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok campaigns. If you're lost, we have a guide by Millennial Money Man ready for you, link in the description. Take a look at this. Do you love it? If you love it, I assume you love graphic design. So, why not pursuing it? Graphic design is our last side hustle idea for you. At first glance, it looks like something you work for any company that demands social branding. But the trend leans more towards the freelancing side, as this can be done anywhere, at any time. Because of that flexibilities, freelance graphic designers can work on a multitude of projects and earn an average rate of $24 per hour. Don't know where to start? Here we have a convenient roadmap for you. You start with beginner courses on Coursera or Udemy, then make some designs or use your previous design on Adobe Illustrator or Canva, and display them on Redbubble or Behance, and finally go on Upwork or Fiverr to find freelance projects. Holy smokes!
Now that's a lot of platform.
But I'll have them ready for you in the description. Happy designing! We have provided 5 side hustle ideas that you can have for your journey to make more money in your spare time. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time.